Itong next phone na pag-uusapan natin is very tough. This one is the Honor X6B. Meron siyang SGS na 5-star drop resistance. Dahil very tough ang kanyang glass, it's just almost like the Honor X9B. Meron din siyang magic capsule na papakita ko sa inyo later. 5,200 mAh ang kanyang battery, which is definitely solid. And it also has a 50MP na dual camera. All of that for less than 6,000 pesos. Pag-usapan natin. So guys, itong Honor X6B na may 6 plus 6 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage is currently priced at 5,999, which I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Don't forget to check out the link sa description para sa official links and iwas tayo ng scam. Malapit na magpasko, so I'm definitely sure maraming mga scammer na magpapakita. Kunding ingat lang, paalala ni Gadget Sidekick. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is yung kanyang likod. It's definitely smooth, pero hindi siya fingerprint magnet kasi matte finish siya sa likod. And yung kanyang camera module dito, mukhang biogesic pa rin. Though one good things kanya is hindi na nakaumbok bawat isa, flat na siya right now. Sa ilalim, we still have the audio jack, which is a bonus. And another bonus dito is expandable din siya. Either you can use a nano SIM plus a micro SD or dalawang nano SIM together. A word of reminder, this is a 4G phone, not a 5G phone. So itong Honor X6B comes in 3 colors. Meron silang midnight black, starry purple, and hawak natin dito is the forest green. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G85. It's a 12nm chip na very budget friendly. Inside this one, this is running currently Magic OS 8 inside Android version 14. Nung niran ko Antutu benchmark, medyo mababa lang kanyang score. It got me 165,000 points. Ito ang kanyang breakdown score, makita natin sa GPU Lite version lang ang tinakbo niya. 192 lang ang kanyang loop score dito sa Wildlife Extreme and 97% ang kanyang stability. Ito ang score na nakuha ko dito sa Geekbench para sa kanyang CPU benchmarking, and ito naman nakuha ko para sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Makita natin the same sila ni Antutu benchmark na medyo mababa ang GPU score. Seems okay naman ang kanyang thermal throttling, and it throttled to 86% ng kanyang best performance. Now, pagdating sa battery niya, this one sports a 5,200 mAh of battery, which is for me a bit above the industry standard of 5,000. And this one supports 35 watts na Honor Supercharge. Imagine a phone at this price point giving you a 35 watts of fast charging. For me, it's definitely good. Normally, sa mga ibang brands, makita mo sa ganitong price point, 18 watts ka lang or even 10 watts. For me, this is a winning feature. Now, if you ask me kung kaya magtagal nito phone nito for one whole day, I would say na kayang-kaya na without any problem. As long as you're using it normally, huwag kang mag-heavy gaming, kayang-kaya niya. Napag-usapan natin yung kanyang display. This one has a 6.56-inch na TFT LCD display na may dynamic dimming, and it also supports DC dimming and eye protection mode. Meron din siya 90Hz of screen refresh rate, and ang pinakamataas ng brightness is at 780 nits. Na pagdating naman sa social media consumption, I'm pretty sure na smooth naman ang experience ko dito. Wala akong naging problema. As long as mabilis naman iyong internet connection, wala kang mafe-feel naman na problema while you're scrolling on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Now, itong phone na ito only has a level 3 na Wi-Fi security level, so you can watch HD dito sa phone na ito. But nevertheless, watching videos dito sa YouTube, I would say okay. You can watch up to 180p dito without any problem, and the display is quite good. Except for me na medyo luma na ang kanyang punch hole dito, which is a teardrop notch. 2024 na. So another good function dito is the magic capsule. Pakita ko sa inyo how it works. Now, one of the key features na meron dito is the magic capsule. So pasok ka sa notification and kailangan mo turn on ito. Pwede ka mag-recording, media play, and clock services. Try lang natin quickly sa Spotify. So let's just search a soundtrack. So sabihin natin, ito, piniplay natin. Pag kinlose natin, makita natin nandito siya nakatago. Pero pag gusto natin i-recall siya, ganito lang. So yeah, it's so easy to use. Tago mo, just like that. And cool. So guys, itong phone na ito has one loud firing speaker dito sa ilalim, which I think medyo okay naman siya for its price point. Kapakinggan natin kung gaano kalakas kaibigay na itong loudspeaker na ito. Let's see. Well, honestly, it's nothing crazy kasi normal lang ang sound. Katamtaman lang, hindi naman siya malakas, hindi rin siya sobrang hina. But I would recommend you to use your audio jack dito sa ilalim if you have, or you can use your Bluetooth TWS to give you a better immersive experience pagdating sa sounds. Right now, pag-usapan natin ng gaming. I played 2 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, sinet natin sa all high settings niya. Though I would say na it's not really too much playable dahil mapapansin mo, especially when you're using sniper, pag swing mo over, mapapansin mo, parang naiiwan ka. So, medyo heavy ang frame drops dito. So, binaba kong konti ang kanyang graphical settings just to be able to play it more smoothly. And pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, this one, sa lowest graphical settings, okay naman siya, smooth in some way, but pag tumatagal ang gameplay, pansin ko medyo mas nagiging sluggish siya along the way. So, I would say na probably this phone would be good for Call of Duty Mobile and ML. Ang pinakamainit na na-achieve na itong phone na ito for both games is around mga 42 degrees Celsius. Napag-usapan na natin ang kanyang camera module. This one has a 50MP na main camera sensor and a 2MP na depth sensor which can let you shoot up to 1080p and 30fps. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 5MP na front shooter which can also shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. So start natin some camera shot analysis from the outdoor condition and taking some outdoor shot while it's raining. Makita natin, no, these water droplets are really nice. Though hindi siya super clear, but kita mo naman yung mga details ng water droplets from this phone is not so bad. And looking at this rock shot, well, though hindi siya ganun karami ang details compared sa mga ibang better cameras that I've tried, but it's still not so bad. And taking tong flower shot na ito, though medyo a little bit soft siya, pero what I like dito sa kanya is still preserve pa rin yung mga water droplets dito sa flower na ito. Now, taking some of this plant shot, though okay naman siya, mukhang okay, but if you zoom it in, mukha siyang soft. So if rainy naman ang condition, this is a gloomy shot, but it looks kind of good. And taking tong signboard shot, this is a normal shot and this is a 2x zoom shot. So I'd say na clear pa rin ang signage after zooming it for 2x. Now if you go for indoor low light, okay naman siya. I would say na pretty decent naman ang shot na nakukuha ko dito sa kanya. Though medyo pale lang kunting tingnan ng mga food photography dito sa camera na ito. But some other product shot like this one looks kind of decent. And taking some photos dito sa wall, sa Starbucks. And if you get a closer look, it looks like this. And okay naman. Mukha naman siyang 3D sa shot na ito. If you're trying to take some bean shot dito, okay naman siya, though hindi lang siya ganun kalinaw when you zoom it in. And product photography looks kind of good. Okay naman mga shots natin sa indoor, and I would say na pag zoom in mga words dito, looks very clear pa rin mga words na dito sa shot na ito. Now, pag tinignan naman sa indoor, this is a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. I would say na still readable pa rin mga text dito sa menu board na ito. Now, if you're going for night mode, I would say na pretty good ang shot na ito. Though, hindi lang siya super duper clear sa gabi and mukha naman siyang soft. As expected naman from a smartphone price like this one, I think not so bad na siya after all. Pagdating naman sa selfie camera, to my surprise, it looks kind of decent. Not so bad ang shot ko dito sa kanya. And I kind of like yung camera dito sa kanya, though medyo naninilaw ako dito on this shot. But overall, the color resolution is not so bad. And kita mo, the details sa akin hair is still pretty good. Pagdating naman sa indoor, I would say na medyo soft na siya, but still pretty decent for a smartphone at this price range. Now, tingnan naman natin ang kanyang front-facing camera while taking video. Not so bad ang kanyang resolution, but though shaky siya, medyo nakakahilo. If you take a look naman sa kanyang rear camera, I would say, okay not so bad ang kanyang color science, but yun, shakiness, you would like to use something pang stabilize kanya like gimbal, or probably still shooting might be better. So guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Honor X6B? It's really tough. Ang daming gumawa ng mga drop test nito. But I did not tell you to try to do a drop test sa loob ng iyong bahay or anywhere else dahil this one is accidentally okay siya. What I mean is that kunwari nalaglag mo phone mo, you would feel safe na hindi siya masisira basta-basta. But please, wag nyo nagaya yung mga favorite influencer nyo na nagda-drop test ng phone niyo dahil sila meron silang 3 unit, ikaw isa lang. And ang pinakamataas na kaya niya ilaglag na drop test dito is at 1.5 meters high. So tansya ko, nasa chest level, kunwari nagbabasa ka, bigla nahulog, rest assured that your phone might survive that fall. Now, para sa price point niya na below 6,000 peso at 5,999, itong phone na ito, I would say that it's a highly recommended para sa mga riders like Lalamove rider, Grab rider, mga Angkas rider, mga Joyride rider, mga LBC, JNT. Perfect na perfect phone nito. Dahil sila mga everyday heroes natin on the road, mas kailangan nila a tougher phone. And with all of the basic specs dito na for me not so bad, I would say na pretty not bad itong Honor X6B at that price point. So guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And it's up to this channel is definitely awesome. See you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.